Hindi na nga napigilan ng anak ni Tina Paner na si Shane ang magsalita matapos ang naging interview ng kanyang lola Daisy Romualdez sa nasabing YouTube channel ni Aster Amoyo. Ito'y hinggil sa mga hindi pagdalaw, pagpunta, or hindi pagpansin. May mga beso-beso, may mga days na nagkakasama sila, pero ang nasabing personal na pagdalaw sa kanya at pagpunta ng anak na si Tina Paner ay napakatagal na daw at hindi daw ito nangyayari. Isa sa pruweba na ibinahagi ni Tina Paner ay ang naging pag-video call nila ng kanyang inang si Daisy Romualdez. Say pa ni Tina, "Maritesan with my mom, yung namiss namin ang isa't isa." Kaya naman kabalintonaan ito ng naging sagot ni Daisy Romualdez sa interview ni Aster Amoyo na hindi na siya pinapansin o dinadalaw man lang ng anak dahil mayroong pruweba si Tina Paner na may video call sila. Sa madaling salita, puro negative ang ibinahagi ni Daisy Romualdez kay Aster Amoyo kung saan marami ang nakapanood nito. Kaya naman ang anak ni Tina Paner na si Shane, ang apo ni Daisy Romualdez, ay idinipensa ang kanyang ina. Ang rason kung bakit nga ba tila napakatagal na nitong issue. Say ni Shane, "Distance is not about disrespect, pride, or simply turning your back. I was the one who decided for my mom, Tina, to step away for peace of mind. Forgiveness is very easy to give. Respect shouldn't be only one-sided. What is difficult is to simply erase the bad memories that keeps becoming a cycle. Who wouldn't want to talk to their mother? But what if doing so only bring her fear and pain? What if the space that's supposed to be filled with love and protection by her mother became the opposite and instead a source of trauma? We choose not to disclose the details on public because we are not the type of people who seek validation through public exposure. I've always been proud to say my mother is the best. She is a truly great mom and person overall. My mom and I have open communication. That is why our relationship is good. We know how to acknowledge and understand each other's feelings. So when I encouraged her to distance ourselves, it wasn't out of anger, but out of peace and respect for herself too." Nag-thank you nga dito si Tina Paner at may mga question din siyang mga sinagot. Tanong ng isang netizen, bakit ba ang daughter nito ang nagde-decide para sa kanya? Sinagot naman ito ni Tina Paner at sinabi niyang, "Really, kaya matagal na akong nananahimik. For your information, you don't know the whole story. Try mong magkasama kayo ni mami ng isang linggo para malaman mo din ang situation ko." Well, ilang mga netizen naman ang sinabing allegedly when Tina was young, hindi napunta sa kanya ang kinita niya. Yun ang breaking point niya nung teenager na siya. Maybe because she was still a minor then. Pagtatanggol naman ng isa. Say ng isa, but Nino Mulak was also a minor when he started working. See the difference. Siguro dahil ang pon, ginawa yung pambayad ng ginastos sa kanya. Say naman ng isang netizen, umpisa pa lang ng interview, alam na agad na toxic ang lola. Mapanumbat agad. While ang tanong lang is kumusta sila ng mag-anak niya o mga anak niya at kailan sila huling nagkita. "Lol, yes sis, she literally giving mayaman ako. I know everything kachipan and katoksikan with matching pinalaki kita. Pinaaral sa magandang school, etc. Kring ang mga words ni auntie with matching mala telenovela kadramahan." Say naman ng isa, I remember back in the 80s nung may That's Entertainment pa when Tina is teamed with Chris Villanueva, laman ng mga tabloid ang mga interviews with Miss Daisy. To the point na pinakikialaman niya ang mga movies kissing scene as if meron and team ups, and there wasn't a time when she would say something nice about Tina until Tina ran away from home and moved to US. Ilang netizen ang ikinumpara pa si Daisy Romualdez sa ina ni Sarah Geronimo pati kay Annabel Rama. Well, yan ang ating Showbiz Snap update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching Showbiz Now.